Hello friends, in this video, we'll bring to you some new Chinese themes for global devices. First, it is a theme that can be customized with many functions. HyperOS status bar support. Double tap to custom. Many style of lock screen. Press to custom more of lock screen. Wallpapers. Press to confirm. This to custom dynamic island or ring of notch. 1, 3 or 5 ring of notch. This to return dynamic style. Change position of notch. This to change animation on dynamic island. Many style you can choose. Or you can use Huawei style. Change position. This to custom standby mode. Confirm custom. Swipe down to enter standby mode. Double tap to change style. Theme name in Chinese theme store. The theme has a lot of customizations inside, but the limitation is that it is only available in Chinese language. If you want to customize the theme more, open Play Store and install this app on your device. Open the app and select your language. Return to theme custom screen. Press and wait for translate. Now, you can custom theme with your language. After complete, open app and disable. Next is a theme with transparent style. Comes with a beautiful icon pack set. Back effect. Next, a minimalist theme with a uniform set of icons. The theme applies deep into the system mini UI of system applications. Two clock style, swipe to change. All of themes include my backup file and video description. If you don't know how to use backup file to restore themes, you can watch how to do it in my channel. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.